Monthly maintenance, lower machinery. Before performing work, read the operation and maintenance manual for operation details. Inspection items are as shown in the table. Monthly or every 100 hours. Hydraulic motor and reduction unit. Check the hydraulic motor and reduction unit for oil leak and unusual noise. Valve, etc. Check the valve, etc. for oil leak. Crawler fixing pin cylinder, TRANSLIFTER cylinder. Check the crawler fixing pin cylinder and the TRANSLIFTER cylinder for oil leak and damage. Swivel joint. Check the swivel joint for oil leak. Swing bearing. Check the swing bearing for unusual noise. Crawler shoe. Check the crawler shoes for looseness, damage and wear. If the crawler tension is too high, the shoes wear quickly and a connection part of shoes could break. On the other hand, if the crawler tension is too loose, the shoes may ride off the drive tumbler or idler wheel during traveling. The slackening of 10 to 20 mm, 13/32 to 13/16 inch, is normal condition after traveling the machine forward about the crawler length when measuring at the upper side of the crawler.